like that, right?
That and that. That and that.
What?
This is
The chicken doesn't like you, so don't eat it. Oh, look at. That's what you call goat.
I don't want.
Just kidding, it's a chicken. Come on, eat it now.
Not yummy.
Not yummy?
Where?
So you want to return that? Oh, you and Luki share this food together.
Oh, there. You give that later.
Kapang dilak-dilak.
Oh, it's okay. Try sa chicken na bilang. What is this? This is a fish. Fish pond, I think. Okay. Oh, there you go. That's a big mouth. That's
Sandra,
another big mouth.
If you cannot finish it,
Another
give
big
me.
mouth.
Sandra, if
Three
you cannot
big
finish it,
mouth.
give me, okay?
And the last big mouth. Very big. From behind. I got it.